Hey everybody, Steven here. So this is part 15 of this tutorial. It's taking quite a while to model, but then everything's real time. So what I want to do now is maybe add some furniture on the inside. Like if I go Control Alt A, you get the filter and cut element 3D window, and I can just cut to the first floor plan. So the roof's gonna be removed, still there, but it allows you to see its side. Why is it important, or what is it good? It allows you to create some exploded axle. Let's see if I go here. Okay. Generate axonometric, 3D projections, and this one, and let's try to do 0. Let's see how it is. And here, that's what you get. And what you could do is to cut it to the ground floor, and it's really nice. Don't even know if I need this one. Oh, so that's the rear wall. But I mean, you could save that view and you can just render it, and yeah, so you could save one, do this one, add the color whatever in Photoshop, and you can even cut it to the ground floor, so maybe just the first floor, so you only see this, and ground floor, that. Of course, here maybe you would like to see the basement. Anyway, you can tweak stuff around, like if you but yeah, so what I want to do is to add some furniture. You don't want to see the back wall, you put it on another layer. It will look cooler, I guess. So I'm going back to the first floor, and as you can see here, we got some bedroom, bathrooms, another bed, and maybe some wardrobe. So I'm just gonna quickly populate this, and if we go back here, we already got some bathtub and toilets, and so I can just use that. I'm gonna just pasting, it's in the center, it's here, and just gonna make copies here, rotate it 90 degrees, 270 if I want it to be the other way, and it's here. Oh, weird. Did I forget a window? Maybe I did forget a window. Oh, maybe I didn't put the window there. Oh, maybe this is supposed to stretch all the way there. Oops. And yep, this and this is here, and I'm just gonna is that a wall? I'm just gonna drag that wall over here, and this is supposed to be solid, or maybe not. I mean, there's some boards here, I guess, for piping, and I'm gonna put the toilet here. I'm gonna make another one. I guess it should be like something like this, a bidet. Put it there, and some reason it looks that bathtub is huge, or maybe this needs to be further out, or this should be closer. Yeah, maybe this should have been closer, but it's okay. Don't really care about at this stage. I just want to put some furniture in and just make it solid. I'm gonna add that door, and here maybe there's a basin, so maybe put that in the middle. I'm gonna take one of the object, then go into setting, and here I can just type basin, and I'll just take this one, rotate it to 180, and just put it in place. And I guess that's like a storage room, so I'm just gonna add that door there, maybe 150, and this is like an office. And so let's go into the furniture, type desk, and there should be something like an office, and office desk. Press OK, put in here. What you could do is to actually just work on the reference. Might need to check the orientation of this, but and roughly just change the setting here, and so you get one here. Feels like there's like 3 discs. Maybe just look at some other plans, maybe. See, I got some other plans that I got from Google. Let's zoom in. It's not really a high resolution, but so it looks like that's the desk, and maybe some storage. Not too sure. But anyway, I'm just gonna bring that here, and type storage. Bookshelves, that's not what I want. You can see there's a lot of stuff popping out, and maybe plain drawer. And usually when you see that little black dot here, is actually that's the back of the object, so you can just mirror it, put it back into place. And I'm just gonna have 2 of them. I'm gonna resize the length to maybe 1.2, put them back together, and here maybe there's some type of bookshelf, so I'm just gonna make a copy of this, rotate it, and type book, so maybe that type of bookshelf is fine, and I'm just gonna pretend it's one bookshelf. 3.2, and I'm gonna have some dividers, so I'm just gonna turn it so I can see how the setting reflects. Oops. So there's 3. Maybe I'm gonna add a 3rd one, and press OK. And for some reason it kind of switched, so I'm just gonna do that. And I'm gonna add some chairs. What could be a cool desk chair? Well, you have those ones, office chairs. Oops, I had this selected, so usually I do tend to just copy previous objects so that I can put them into place, because otherwise I have to click here, put into the right location, whereas here it's just a bit faster. And here this chair, and just gonna turn it in an angle. This one here, and kind of doesn't make sense. I don't know. It's like 2 discs. I guess I'll just add another disc here. And I'm just gonna make it thinner and that. So now that I've done this, I can just select all of this and just move them in here. And here I can just put them into place. 450, and voila. I can delete that, and what I'm gonna do is to just marquee this area, so it's the only thing that's gonna show in 3D, and here, and I'm gonna cut to the first floor, and now I can see the office area. Generate perspective. It's gonna blend this one. Maybe I'm just gonna add you this. I'm gonna make custom. Number of drawers. Cool. So that's drawer side 1, drawer side 2. I can just change it as well to this one, and privilege. And base. What's that? It's not showing it. Oh, the accessories here. You can customize your desk, and let's see. Can I have some stones? Yeah, maybe not. Just go back to wood, maybe like this. And what else can I add? Maybe I'll just add a computer on top. Oh, for some reason the size of it changed. Maybe I'll just 1.9. That's 900. And I'm just gonna put a computer on top, make it more believable. Computers. Maybe laptop. And just paste it here. Gonna turn it. And you have to make sure that it's at the correct height. So you know the table's at 750 in height. So this should be around maybe 800. So now when going through 3D, it kind of it's right, kind of at the right level. But you can just select the object, click one of the node point, and try to reference it. Cool. And here I don't know if you can add the books through the settings. Detail. Or you might have to add the books yourself if you wanted to. Books, like there's book clusters here. Okay, let's continue. And what's that? Is that a bedroom? Private room. boys' room. Okay, I guess it's just a table. So I'm just gonna put some more shells. That's gonna be that here. And I'm gonna add door. I mean, at this point you can just do whatever you want, huh? It's your model anyway. And this doesn't exist. I'm just gonna add there. Looks like bed to me. Okay, maybe the best way is actually to go into the virtual thing and I'll find out what it is. So it's those room there. Oh, yeah, so there were beds. 2 beds. Kinda like a bookshelves, table. And what's on the other side? Yeah, actually there's a door. Doesn't show, but there's like an opening here. So we're just gonna put 2 beds. Bed, single. Just paste in here. And gonna rotate that. And this one, maybe it's kind of like a sliding door, I think. I'm just adding a door, and in here I can change it to a sliding door, and it's like a pocket door. So it's gonna slide in. Might not be, but looks like it to me. And I'm just gonna move the shelves. And this one's actually not a bookshelf, so I'm just gonna go to storage. And I'm sure I can find one that looks like it. Oh, this. It's going to take that, and if I count, there's like 1, 2, 3, 3, and let's see. Press OK, and I'm gonna take that, and I'm gonna stretch it to here, and this here. Oops. $50, and maybe this I'm gonna align it. Okay, now let's go into the setting of this. Maybe I want to add another door. Can I do that? Hanger shells. Go to door 3. Yes. So I got 3 doors, and I get like a mini bookshelves. Okay, for some reason all the bookshelf that I put there just disappeared. Must have deleted by accident. Well, it might not have been bookshelves, so I'm gonna add the bookshelves here, and 2 meters. And storage. It's more like a little cabinet. That kinda gonna look like kinda like this. Where's the one door? And maybe I don't need this. What if I do 0? Does it work? But there's a little bit, so just gonna add another 50 and panel thickness. It's okay. It's a bit too long. I think the cat is doing some weird noises. Let's go into 3D, and it's a bit too high. 600, too small. 800, maybe 900, and I'm gonna reduce the bookshelves as well. And if I count, well, it's really nice to see it from here. There's 1, 2, 3. Go into the settings. 0 vertical panel and 3. Oh, so it's 2 shells. Oh, do I have 2.1? And okay. Oh, I can't select it. Yeah, sometimes stuff doesn't get selected in 3D. And now I have a little table here, so maybe I'll just take that table. Oops. Always forget to press Control. I think the table kind of looked like a dining table. Anyway, I'm just going to use that table object so I can have the chairs as well. Just 1.8 and press OK. It looks a bit big. Okay, I think it doesn't allow me to change because I don't know. Oh wait, yeah, it doesn't allow me because here the dimension is set up by this, the sizing. So if I wanted to reduce to something smaller, I think I have to change this. Oh no. Space of chair 1. Yeah, that's too small. And just gonna center that. And here a little bookshelves as well. Bed. I think there should be like bed table or something. I think it's called night table. Yes. And I'm just gonna rotate that and change the length. Cool. I think in the previous video I created another first floor. You can see you got hundreds. So I would need to raise all the furniture by 100 so that this sits above the floor, and just do that by selecting everything, press 100. Yeah, and now you can see the bottom of the objects, and I'll do the same on here. And I guess the laptop needs to be 850. Save. I'm just gonna add the bookshelf back in here, and make sure I flip it so that the black point is on the other side. And stretch it to here. Gonna keep it as a round number, and gonna have one that side, and I'm gonna make sure that those two have more vertical paint. 3, and let's go into the other room. So here you get one bed, table, baby bed. Oh, sink in the bedroom. A chair. Okay, so we're just gonna quickly add that. So we can take that bed, make a copy, turn it, bring that table around here. We want to remove the 2 chair that's on both sides here, and let's see if we got a baby bed. Baby. Yeah, oh, it's called a crib. Do you know? And I'll take this one. Oops. Press OK. Is that the image of the crib? Not really helpful. And I think there's a lonely chair there. Oh, Vegeta. Chair here. Chair there. I'm gonna take those chairs. And chair. Does it look like? Maybe I'll just put those chairs. I don't like this one. This one. I'm gonna put one here. And one here. Oops. Control plus. And I guess this is not the more like this one, and this one should have maybe 4 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess you could customize this one first and then add those two and add the sink if you wanted. But I guess just for this we're just gonna divide into 4. 5, or 5. 5 doors. Okay, and save, of course. Never forget to save. And oh, there's no wall here. I'm just going to delete that. Let's go into those rooms here. So here we get like another couch, double bed, wardrobe, mirrors, carpet, tables, seats. Okay, let's do that. So I'm gonna take that bed here. Hey, I guess I need to move those posts so that they're inside the wall. Okay, let's take those ones here, and I'm gonna shift them inside. $150, and this one's gonna be a double bed. I'm just gonna put there, and this mirror it, and stretch it into place. Add a door, maybe 50 from it. And if I look at the bed again, I don't think they have night table, well, just on the other side. So again, take this one instead. Here, and I take this night table. Maybe in another tutorial I can show you how I can make some custom items that will look exactly like the existing. Take that door here, another one there. Maybe just center them. Here we get bathtub, sink, bathtub. Maybe we can stretch that. Take this object, and this is sink, and let's go see the picture. Bidet, toilet, chair, radiators. Sink, basin. So I think there's one that's double basin, and I don't think they. Oh, there's a squarish one, but I like this one better. And a bit too small. And this is here. And get the toilet there. And we got a chair here. Maybe this one will make it a bit bigger. 900. Get another door. Oops. What's in here? So this is another desk. That's another bedroom. Fuck, that's a big house. I'm just populating and copy pasting what I already made, so it will just make it look better when do our floor plans. Let's get and took this one. So maybe this should be $1,800. Take this. Small this. And I think on this room there was like a table, a round table, and a couch table. That's like a coffee table round, and there's a chair. Something flat. Maybe I'm just gonna copy this one. And I'm just gonna add the couch. Yeah, something like that. Mirror that. Cool. And now maybe I'll just add the doors just to kind of complete this. Well, you get it. you get the gist of what we're supposed to do. And wait, I just saw something weird. Is there a window? Is there a toilet? What if there's a photo of that? Oh no. Oh yeah, it is. Oh no, that's a bathtub. It's not a. It looks like a bed. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. I mean, I'm guessing this is gonna be like a bedroom, and that's the toilet, and they get this access from here, and that's like they're living. Yeah, it just doesn't make sense to have a bed there. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop it for today. I'll just finish up later. And yep. Thanks.